Hi everyone, welcome back to day 6 of MBA before MBA, and today we are going to tackle the big one, the finance fear. I know exactly what's going on in your head right now because I was there too. You must be thinking, I'm a non engineer, I'm creative, I'm a marketer, I'm a lawyer, I don't do numbers. So, see, I remember the first time I heard the word leverage in my classroom, my brain literally hit that Alt F4. And I thought, finance was a secret club for math geniuses, but here's the spoiler. I ended up bagging an A grade not because I'm a math wizard, but because I realized finance is a language, not a math problem. Today, we are moving from the student stage of memorizing the definitions to the business mature stage of understanding how the world actually works. So this long video is to explain you the three quick resources which were really helpful for me during my MBA, and I want to share it with you. Tool number one is the Dean of Valuation, Mr. Ashwath Damodaran. His YouTube playlist is something you should definitely be watching because he is the professor who actually makes finance so easy. Most textbooks make finance feel like a graveyard of formulas, but enter his class. He is known as the Dean of Valuation at NYU Stern. And don't get overwhelmed by his channel because it has thousands of videos in it. Go straight to his corporate finance basics. He does something magical, guys. He explains the money as a story, not just as a theoretical concept. And when he talks about a company, he isn't just looking at their balance sheet, he's actually looking at a narrative. He has taught me that every number in a spreadsheet is just a placeholder for the real world decision. And if a company borrows money, that's a chapter in their story. So, watch his Little Book of Valuation series also if you are short on time. That will also be equally helpful. The second toolkit is my personal favorite, that Investopedia Simulator. Okay, this is one website which helps you gamify finance. The theory is boring. Reading about liquidity is like reading about how to swim without even touching water. So the solution which I want to give you is go to the Investopedia stock market simulator. They give you some $100,000 in your virtual money wallet, and this is where the fear will disappear. What will you learn? What I learned from it, I'll tell you. When you buy a stock and see your portfolio drop because of a news event, you will learn what market volatility actually feels like. When you try to sell a penny stock and no one buys it, you finally understand what liquidity actually means. So basically, you aren't just learning definitions here, you are building muscle memory. Toolkit number three is none other than the CFI's financial ratios PDF. That's the cheat sheet, guys. That's the cheat sheet. I can also call it as the Brahmastra. This was my secret weapon, okay? And I used to always refer back to this PDF whenever needed. You can also call it as a lifesaver because it mostly has all the formulas you need at a certain time of your life. And see, I'm an engineer, but I had zero experience in finance. I used to panic trying to remember the difference between current ratio and quick ratio, and this PDF is actually gives me a good guide. And it doesn't just gives me the formulas; it tells me what the result means for a business. So keep this on your desk, or when you're doing a project or analyzing a company for an interview. Don't try to memorize the formulas. Use this guide. Eventually, you will stop looking at it because the logic will just get clicked in. Finance isn't about being good at maths, it's about being good at logic. If you can understand why a shopkeeper needs to buy stock before they can sell it, you already understand the basics of working capital. So pick one of these three tools I've shared with you today, spend just 20 minutes on it, and comment below what's that one finance term that scares you the most. Let's debunk it together in the comments only. See you for the day 7, guys. But what are you supposed to do? Don't forget to like and share this video with more and more people. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. That really, really, really helps this channel to grow. And this is a big commitment I have signed up for. So please keep me motivated for the coming days, guys. Take care. Thank you so much. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.